Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in 2023 and how it will move in the rest of 2023. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, it is trying to go upside. Okay, this is a monthly chart where I explain you. See, there is a continuous upside we have seen for around 6-7 months. The price was moving in zone, okay, in a zone of 3 and 2. After that it moved upside, made a high from 3.68 to $3, and that being tested twice, which shows that if the price comes close to this again, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, because there is a higher chances that when the resistance or a support being tested twice, chances of going upside is on a higher scale. Now it is at a strong support at 3.075, so if it bounce back, there is a probability it can bounce back, but if it didn't bounce back, a further fall we can see. Okay, and now if we go beyond that particular zone, a gap is still pending. So as soon as it start going above a level of 3.6, chances will be high that this gap can be filled and it can touch a level of 4.1 to a level of 4.35. These two things we can see. After that, if you look at this particular trend, there is a continuous upside we have seen after pandemic, but it was creating a pattern. Okay, and this pattern is being repeated. If you look at weekly video also, monthly video also, and year wise video also, that it is continuously on upside. What it was showing, that whenever it is hitting a new high, we have seen a fall is coming, and this fall, after making a swing, it is going upside. Okay, so what you can see looking at this particular chart for the rest of 2023. So before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglove@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, now it is at a strong support of $3.0753. Okay, so it can bounce back from this level. If it bounce back, then we can see it can go towards its next support of $3.1859. Okay, and if the price move above that particular level, it will go above a level of 3.4257. okay, this 3.4257 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross a level of around $3.6823. $3.6823 is already being tested. This level is also being tested, this level also being tested, so chances will be high if the price touches this level, it will cross both these levels, and a probability of high that it can touch a level of around 3.7836. this is the level it can touch. Okay, and once the price started moving above that particular level, chances of going further upside we can see, and then it can touch a level of around $4.1. As I have to explain you that as soon as it comes towards a level of 4.1, this gap can be filled, so it will touch a level of from 4.1, it can touch a level of 4.35. okay, and once started going above 4.35, a further upside movement we can see, and it will touch a level of $4.34, and from there a further upside movement we can see towards a level of $4.9192. okay, so after 4.34 we can see a level of $4.192, and then from there a further upside movement we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. Okay, now as you have to understand looking at this particular chart, see, this is a monthly chart I'm showing you. I'll show you the upside also and downside also, and then I will show you a 6-month chart where you will see clearly. Suppose if it form a swing, or if it moves below this particular support, a level of 3.7, then it can go towards its next support coming at a level of $2.9367. okay, if it moves below that particular level, we can see a level of $2.7854. okay, and once the price started falling below that particular zone, chances of touching a level of 2.5634 is there, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of around $2.1584. okay, this $2.1584 is already being a weak resistance support, so chances are high it will cross a level of 2.044. okay, after this level we can see it will cross this particular level, and a probability of going towards a level of 1.9724 is there, and from there a further downfall we can see towards a level of $1.9, and if the price started falling below that level, a further downfall we can see. This is what we can see looking at this, because there is a clear pattern forming, and chances of going further downfall we can see, and a probability of going towards 1.675 also we can see, and from there a further downfall. okay, and if the price started falling below that level, a further downfall we can see. Now understand, market is always uncertain. If you are thinking that it will move as per you, it will not. Okay, so if you go on a six months chart, you will clearly see that from 6 months it is continuously an uptrend. Or if we go on a monthly basis, it is an uptrend, but for this particular month it is downtrend. But if we go on a 6 months chart, we will see it is on a uptrend. So chances on a higher side that it will go on a 6 month basis chart, we can see it can cross a level of $3.5 and can touch a level of 3.7. if it started going up that level, we can see this gap can be filled at a level of 4.1. it can touch a level of $4.35, and once started going up that level, a further upside we can see towards 4.9 and then a further upside. Okay, but if it didn't sustain, it can come down towards its next support of 2.47, which is already being a weak support. So chances of going further low we can see, and then it can touch a level of 2.063, which is already being a weak support. So chances of going further down fall we can see, and then it can go towards 1.6, and once the price started falling below that level, a further fall we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.